Hello again, and welcome to my creative African cooking channel, Ndudu by Fafa. Miawe Zulu, Ndudu by Fafa, Nya, Koba Ndudu and Yukwelu, Fafa. Come on, Ndudu, Nablo Fafa. I love the flavors, Ulama Bala. Ndudu Vivinto, Famitu, hey, Abonka. Thank you again for tuning in for another experience with Ndudu by Fafa. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing chili sauce. Not any other chili sauce, the ultimate chili sauce, packed with natural flavors, of course, using different peppers as you do. Now, if this is your first time, you're welcome and thank you for tuning in. And to all my loyal subscribers, I really love you guys. Thank you very much for supporting this channel. So I'm going to start off with my red peppers, and I've also got some mild red chilies here. Now, if you don't want it too spicy, you can omit your habanero chili altogether. But of course, this is a chili sauce. It's got to have that kick. So yes, I've got my fire on and I am going to char my red peppers. We're intensifying the natural flavors of the ingredients as I love doing. Now, this process should take you about, 6 minutes. Now, when dealing with fire, please take all necessary precautions. I want you to enjoy your mouth. I don't want you to burn yourself. You see. So I have added my ginger, and I'm also going to char that ginger and intensify that ginger flavor. What this does is it cooks the ginger as well and gives it that smoky flavor, but it takes that extreme spiciness of ginger away slightly and it makes it sweeter. So this is just balancing those flavors. That's just going to make this chili sauce the best ever. And look how charred and beautiful this is. All I see is flavor. Did I hear amen? No ninko kake nini Ndudu by Fafa. Ona get you won't feel floor she bid won't feel it. Okay, chele won't. And of course, you need to follow me as well on Instagram and Snapchat because I do give you guys hints as to what the next recipe will be, definitely. So I finished charring my peppers and I'm also going to, char the mild chilies as well. You can see this dear. Get the amakwela Ndudu by Fafa flavors are be willa. Ma tadi da kolo atadi ton kajimla enye ya abanuka na mekano. Ye ka for enya for keke Ndudu by Fafa for flavors ni ye dear womb ye shame. Ungazo diang say yes. Oh you ba we bema we didi why you juma we what am I going on about? Anyway, so we're just charring this. And I think that this is just ready for me to do some blending things. But back to the ginger. I learned this when I went to Vietnam a few years ago. And I watched them make pho. And when I saw that, I was like, oh, wow, I love it. And it made the soup, or the stock, may I say, that they use for pho so incredible. And that's why I've emulated that in making this sauce. Definitely a must try. So if you've got some ginger, do this, blend it, add a little bit of vinegar and just reserve it in the fridge or freezer and use it as and when your recipe requires it. So I've got all my bad girls together here and I think this is the time that I do need to add my garlic. So I've got 3 cloves of large garlic, I'd say, that I've added to it. And also I'll be adding some anise seed. Seriously, if you've been subscribed to this channel for a while, you know me and anise seed, we're first cousins anyway. But of course, I need that sweetness as well. So I've added some onions, as you can see here. There goes the anise seeds. It's raining anise seeds. And of course, the onions. You know me already. So at this point, yes, I've got my habanero chili because I'm going to be making this spicy. Now to my clay pot, I've added my organic cold pressed virgin coconut oil, and this is just going to melt nicely. And I love, when coconut oil is used for chili sauce, it gives it this incredible flavor, even if I say so, but do try it. So I've blended all the bad girls together, as you can see, into this nice rough consistency. And I'm just making sure that I've not left anything in my blender. So I'm shaking it, shake it, shake it. Every little drop has to go in here. And this, I'm just going to be cooking this slowly. So on a medium to very low heat, I'm just going to allow the flavors that I've incorporated here to intensify. But of course, I have to add my wintia, which is also known as grains of salim. That's going to give it that musky black peppercorn-like taste. And then again, this is a chili sauce with a difference. I'm adding my salt to taste, as you can tell. Yes, and I am filming my salting process. And I'm going to mix everything together till it's well combined, as I always say. So after 10 minutes of cooking on that medium to low heat, I'm now adding my chili flakes. And I love this because it adds that sort of texture as well to my chili sauce, and it makes it incredible, as I say. For that extra warmth and sweetness, I've added my cinnamon stick, and that's just going to infuse beautifully into the sauce. I've also got my chipotle, may I say, chili flakes here. And this is also going to add the smokiness and also that beautiful texture as well to my sauce. And I'm going to mix everything together till it's well combined. So far, we've got the spiciness going on. And of course, I'm adding my bay leaf as well. Now, I do have fresh access or unlimited access to bay leaves, thanks to my neighbor. But you can use your dry ones if that's what you have available. Now, I need to balance the flavors. So I'm adding some white wine vinegar to it. Now, do not worry. I'll leave all the list of ingredients and measurements on my blog in dudubyfafa.blogspot.com. So do check it out. And the inclusion of the vinegar would help preserve this for longer. Absolutely. First time I've used the word maybe. And also, I need to balance that flavor. So I'm adding a little bit of brown sugar for that sweetness as well. So you've got the spiciness coming through. You've got the smokiness. You've got that little sweetness, yes, which balances it. And also you've got that sourness of the vinegar coming through. Now I'm going to allow this to simmer for a further 10 minutes on that very low heat, just to allow that infusion to take place. Now I'm going to also portion. After the 10 minutes, I'm going to divide this in two, because I'm just going to leave one just the way it is, and then I'm going to infuse the other further. Now the best thing about this recipe is this also doubles up as a marinade, and it's just incredible. And it's suitable for all vegetarians as well. So this is the normal one we've done. And now I'm adding my caraway seeds for that intensified licoricey flavor that is just incredible. And I'm just going to mix everything together till it's well combined. I'm going to allow this to cook for a further 5 minutes, just to allow the oils of the caraway to also infuse into this beautiful chili sauce. You know what? Even if you do have some cheese toasties, you can actually, just add a little bit on top, and it's just incredible. So I think this is ready. And I have got another recipe that I did toss this recipe in this amazing chili sauce. Now, you do not want to miss that as well. So please click the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet, and the notification button, which means that each time I upload a video, you are notified of it pronto. And you remember the recipe I was talking about? Yes, you don't want to miss this. It's simply incredible. even if I say so. Now, naturally, I'd leave the list of ingredients and measurements on my blog in dudubyfafa.blogspot.com, so do check it out. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat as in Fafa. Do follow me there for updates as well. Norel, thank you very much for my theme song. I appreciate you very much. Now, until next time and until my next experience, kings and queens, please take care of you. It's 2020. We need to budget. Yes, it's January as well. Now, this, you can reserve it, and this sauce will help you during this dry January. It's flavor packed and absolutely incredible. Now, until next time, take care of you. Be nice, be beautiful, and be gorgeous. And guess what? I love you for you. I'll see you in my next video. Toodles. Bye.